Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Jane Oandasan, your YouTube creator. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about how to make money in Facebook. Alright, so you can see here.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell, and then type your question here in the comment and then comment.
Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you.
There are 6 ways how to make money on Facebook. So the first one is subscriptions, second in-stream ads, and then third is live ads. Fourth one is paid online events. Fifth one is bonuses, and then the last one would be the stars. So yeah, so how we can make money from those? So first we need to be monetized so that we can earn money on Facebook. So the first one, guys, we have the subscription. So the subscriptions, it's really hard because you need to have 10,000 followers, and then you need to have 250 weekly returning viewers. So that's the minimum. And then you need also to have the engagement of 50,000 engagement or post engagements, and then you should have a minimum of 180,000 minutes viewed. Okay, and then the next one in stream ads. In stream ads is a little bit easier than the subscriptions, because in stream ads you need to have 5,000 followers only, and then you need to have 60,000 minutes viewed on demand videos or lives, and then you need to share at least 5 or more eligible videos or gone live or more times in the last 30 days. Okay, and then the third one, we have also the live ads. The live ads, you need to have at least 10,000 followers, and then the engagement, it's so hard. This one, in the last 60 days you needed a total of 600,000 on demand live and previously live minutes viewed, including replayed minutes but not including boosted, cross-posted, or paid watch time. Okay, and then at least you need to have 60,000 minutes of the 600,000 total eligible minutes viewed in the last 60 days must be live videos. And then you need to have you need to share 3 or more eligible videos or gone live 3 or more times in the last 30 days. Wow, that's so hard. Okay, and if you are not with that, then you can go with the paid online events. So the paid online events, just like what it said in here, it said, oh, I'm not sure if you can see it. No. Okay, I will just read for you. It said here, congratulations, you're all set up to host paid online events. So earn more with 0 fees to Facebook. You pay 0 fees to Facebook on the revenue you earn. Other platform fees and the applicable taxes may still apply. So get inspired, need some ideas, consider hosting a live talk, teaching a class, or performing a skill, and maximize earnings by promoting, share, and boost your events so more people see it. Hosting events helps new fans discover you. So for example, you have some events, then you can have live in it, or you can pause in it, schedule, and then there would be somebody who will pay for it, and they can watch your live. So that's the paid online events. So they can only go in there if they will pay for that events. Okay, and then next one here is the stars. The stars, you need to have at least 1,000 followers only, so that's the easiest way. If you have 1,000 followers and then you are following the partner monetization, then there would be possibility for you to have the star. So what is this star? So the star, for example, you have some videos or you have some live, and then there is a viewer who wants your video, then he will send you a star. So you can earn a star. And then you can withdraw this one when you have $25 already, if you earn $25 star. Alright, so aside from those guys, so we talked already about the subscriptions, the in-stream ads, the live ads, paid online events, and the stars. So what else we can do? So we have also what we call bonuses. So if you have some FB Reels, you love to upload FB Reels, the Facebook Reels, the shorts one, then yes, you can also earn money from those. So Facebook will give you some invitation so that you can get the bonuses. Alright, so how can you check if you are eligible to earn money from your Facebook? So what you need to do, guys, you need to go to your professional dashboard, click the professional dashboard, and then check where is monetization. So click the monetization in there, and then you can check all the informations there. So for example, the stars, you can just click the stars and you can see what else in there, what you need to do in there. Okay, and then if you want to go with the live ads, in stream, subscriptions, so whatever you want to see, if you are eligible to earn money from your Facebook, you just need to click those ones. Okay, alright. Okay guys, now so far I'm still working for my Facebook page because I created a new Facebook page, which is JJ Adventure TV, because what happened to my old Facebook page, which is Miss Jane Oandasan, has been hacked. Okay, so I went back to 0 followers, and then now going higher and higher until I will reach 5,000 followers. So if you want to follow me in my Facebook, please follow JJ Adventure TV, and of course subscribe this channel, Miss Jane Oandasan. Thank you, and see you again on my next tutorial.